the half of it, my dear. It, my dear. You want to be Iyabo Joe? Do you know what Iyabo Joe has gone through? Do you know what I have been through? You don't know the half of it. And you can never know the half of it. I don't want to. Some of you have not even worked 1 year. You have not said, I'm in school. I want to pay. I want to. What are you doing as a full-time student when you know you don't have a support system? When I went to school, I went for part-time because I was working so I could pay for my school fees. Why do you have so much self-entitlement? I'm your fan for so many. So what if you're my fan for so many years? Must I feed you? Do you know how many people I feed? Do you know how many people I feed? You're my fan does not give you the right to tell me that I have to give you money because you're my fan. Probably you should not be my fan again. Don't let people come and mislead you on social media. All that glitters is not gold. Time waits for no one. 1 minute you're 10, the next minute you're 20, the next minute you're 30, the next minute you're 40, and then you clock 50, 67, and before you know it, it depends. My mom didn't even wait to clock 70 and she left. You don't know what time, you don't know what year, you don't know what. Make the best use of your life. So I have jumped from married women, bad relationship, to the youth.